Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I've got my February stitch marker advent, and so I know it's a little late, but let's go ahead and open the fourth. So here we have the fourth. Let's take a look. Let's get it open. I don't know if I get it open. Oh, this is really pretty. So here is the fourth. Look at how pretty that is. It's all glittery. And just to remind you, here are the other ones I've received. They're really pretty. And I'm going to go ahead and add on the fourth one. There we go. So let me find the next clip. And I'll put the fourth one on here. I really am enjoying this. This is by Ellie Leva, in case you guys didn't know. So there they all are. And of course there is today's. These are adorable. And stay tuned for tomorrow, and I will open the fifth one. Alright, please stay safe. Be kind to one another. Oh, I'm not clear. There we go. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.